Hey friends, if you wish to recover uninstalled programs and apps on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So, let's say that you have uninstalled a certain application and you want it back. Now, here's the thing, you will have to reinstall it obviously, but unless you deleted its cache files, it will remain there. So press Windows plus R and type temp and hit enter. If the temporary files exist here, then when you reinstall, it will be back as normal. Now, how can you reinstall a program? Let's say that the program was ShareX and you considered uninstalling it and uninstalled it. So if you want it back, then go to the Microsoft Store or its original website, search for it, and then you can go to ShareX and then click on the option to install it. And if the temporary files are still there, then the settings will remain the same. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.